Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word buen provecho in depth. First, the definition. Buen provecho means a Spanish phrase meaning enjoy your meal or bon appetit. Think of it simply as a warm wish for a good meal and positive dining experience. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Buen provecho literally means good benefit or good profit in Spanish, used as a polite mealtime expression. Over time, it's been used by Spanish-speaking cultures as a courteous way to acknowledge others' eating. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use buen provecho in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When we sat down to eat, Maria said, "Buen provecho," to everyone at the table. Correct example 2. At the family gathering, Juan smiled and wished everyone buen provecho before starting dinner. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to buen provecho my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using buen provecho correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Buen provecho means a Spanish phrase meaning enjoy your meal or bon appetit. It comes from a polite Spanish expression used since long ago, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with buen provecho down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.